Hey guys, so I'm going to be reviewing these things. So, this is some hot cocoa, which I'm not going to review this right now, but, so these stuff is from my dad. We wished him a happy birthday and he just gave him stuff, so, happy birthday to your dad. Shout out to my dad. If you're watching this video, Dad, this is for you. So this is we're just gonna try these because it's gonna take a long time to make hot cocoa. But yeah, he just gave us this. I just found them when I came back from school. So the cover looks pretty lit, actually. So that's cool. Alright, now I'm gonna open them. Oh god, it's so hard to open. And smell it. Oh, these scissors. It's so bad. Alright. Oh, it smells kind of good. Whoa! Alright, everybody look at this right now. Sorry, that's like a half one, but let me try it. It tastes like an apple, so let me just bite into it. It's really like sweet. I like them. They're like dried apple slices. I can't even get a good one, but here, they really take out the seeds actually. This one doesn't have any seeds, but let me just try it. This one barely has, oh no, the sweet chicken. If you guys are wondering why I'm like biting on these sides and not like near the side right here, is because like right there, like in there, in my mouth, it's the skin is like ripped off the top because I bumped into my friend in school. So just don't worry about that. That's just yeah. So these are really good actually. I like these. What's inside the bag? So that's pretty much it. 7 grams of sugar. I thought I would expect like 13. I don't know why. This is really good actually. So I don't know where my dad got these from because I just arrived from school and came back and they were like really sitting right here. They're sitting like that. I grabbed them. I was like so excited. I was like new food review. Well, it's my first food review. So make sure you smash that like button for more food reviews. And only if you like this food review, I will do more. If you like this video, like give it to. My limit is like probably like 5 likes. So. Yeah, so this is the end of the video. Make sure you subscribe if you are new to the channel. So make sure you subscribe, leave a comment down below, and like this video if you want to see another food review. So see you guys next time. Bye!